My name is Samantha. I'm an architect. I've been working with C-re-a.i.d for almost 3 years now. Maji Moto is a Maasai village, which is part of Arusha region. So it's maybe 2 or 3 hours from Moshi. This village, specificity of this village is that it's very dry. Normally we're in a region that is very green and full of water. This area is really a dry spot in the middle of this district. We've been talking with the community because normally in Swahili, Maji Moto means hot water. They told us that actually 30 years ago it used to be full of river and forests. So they can see that actually, yes, the environment is changing during the years.
My name is Laia, I'm coming from Spain. I am an architect. I graduated in the University of Ferrara in Italy. And it's 2 years that I'm collaborating with C-re-a.i.d with different projects. So I'm doing a research into the alternative techniques of construction, specialized on isolated areas as Maji Moto or even informal settlements. We have been doing research in Maji Moto for quite a lot, and we saw that there was a problem with the deforestation. There's no laws to regulate the cutting of trees. So basically people here use the trees for everything, for cooking, for boiling the water, and even for building.
I'm Nancy Abogast, a graduate architect practicing in Tanzania. In this village, modern buildings are built out of fired bricks at the expense of the trees, which has resulted to a serious desertification in recent years. The design team successfully introduced compressed stabilized earth bricks as an alternative building material in the village.
For the CV blocks, we bought a machine that is an interlocked machine for the bricks in order to use less mortar possible. So what we do is to interlock the bricks to put inside the mix. It has a 10% of cement and the rest is soil and sand. So compared with the cement blocks, it's much more sustainable because we use less amount of cement, but as the fact that it's compressed, it's much stronger. It needs to be drying for 7 days while watering, so in this way the cement can be cured, and then after 7 days they can be already used, even if they became really strong after 1 month that they have been done.
The community of Maji Moto has been involved from design to construction stage. This has brought the sense of ownership of the project to the community, but most of all has facilitated a smooth transfer of sustainable building techniques. Therefore, constructing a dispensary which has reproductive health and child care facilities is going to be helpful not only to the people and women of Maji Moto, but also to the nearby villages who lack health care facilities.
The dispensary project will have a big impact, I think, because Maji Moto is quite difficult to access because of the state of the roads. So to get to Maji Moto or to get out of Maji Moto is quite a challenge, especially during the rainy season. And since until now on, the closest dispensary were in different villages around, which they needed to cross. So before even, especially during the rainy season, before even getting to those places, it was you could find people that would die during the travel, or if it's a woman giving birth, just giving birth on the roads, and then have complications. So it was difficult to get the actual service in the moment that is needed. So having the dispensary in the center of the village, I think that is the main issue and something that will improve for the community of Maji Moto.
satellite.